Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be conducting a review and demo of HairArt's LIAM mannequin head. If this interests you, then please keep watching. The original price for this mannequin head is $52. However, I was fortunate enough to be able to get it on sale for $39. If you were to purchase a LIAM mannequin head from HairArt, it would include the head itself and care instructions. I did get a chance to measure the length of the hair, and it was indeed, as advertised, between 6 and 8 inches. As you can see, Liam's hair was very dry and tangly. And during the initial brushing, he lost a lot of hair. It's at this point that I decided to give Liam a haircut. I had to separate his beard from his hair because I didn't want to cut into it. Now that I look at his beard, I'm not so sure I like it very much. It doesn't look very realistic. It looks more like a curtain. I've been entertaining the thought of actually perming the hair to make it look more realistic. Here's Liam's blown out hairstyle. Here's Liam's flat ironed hairstyle. At this point, I decided to go back in and do a little bit more detail. I also decided to include a few clips of the strand test. And Liam's strand test came out beautifully. Here I'm showing you how large Liam's head is compared to my other mannequins in my collection. Liam's head also has a lot more weight to it than any other mannequin that I own. So far, I'm very pleased with my purchase of the HairArt Liam's mannequin head. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.